So, have you seen how Lake Geneva carpet cleaning is really setting the bar high in this whole carpet
Yeah.
cleaning space? Their truck-mounted hot water extraction method, it's like the gold standard. They really mean it when they say no other method surpasses it.
Right, and that method, it's not just a fancy phrase, is it? It's actually the technique that the carpet mills and training certifiers rely on.
Exactly. I mean, over 3 decades of experience is
Yeah, oh, for
huge.
sure.
That kind of background really shows when you see the reputation, over 20,000 carpeted areas cleaned. It's a serious commitment to quality.
And they don't stop at just carpets, do they? I heard they also clean upholstery, tile, grout, area rugs, even mattresses and garage floors.
Absolutely. They've got a full service lineup. It's like, they're out there tackling not only stains and odors from pets, which, let's be honest, can be a nightmare, but all those other surfaces that need a little TLC.
Right. Speaking of TLC, I noticed they really emphasize seasonal cleaning tips. What's your take on that?
Yeah, that's a cool part. In the fall, they suggest vacuuming high traffic areas more frequently since leaves and mud get trapped inside. In winter, it's all about doormats and removing shoes to prevent salt damage. Then, spring, oh man, spring is for deep cleaning, like getting rid of dust mites and pet dander. And in summer, you just let the fresh air work its magic. It's like they've thought
Yeah,
of every season's tricky bits, you know?
for sure. And I love the fact that they use eco friendly cleaning agents. It really shows they care for not just the looks, but also the health of the home and its occupants kids, pets, everyone.
Right on. And I sometimes hear skeptics ask if all these premium methods are really worth it compared to cheaper alternatives.
Yeah,
But honestly, with the truck mounted extraction being exclusively recommended by industry experts, it makes it hard to argue against the benefits: deep cleaning, allergen removal, and extended carpet life.
that's a solid point. I mean, you want your hard earned money invested in a service that guarantees satisfaction, and Lake Geneva Carpet Cleaning stands by their work. If you're not happy, you call them within 10 days.
Exactly. Quality and trust go hand in hand. And honestly, when you see them on major news networks and read all those standout reviews, it just reinforces
Definitely.
that premium vibe. Plus, tackling pet stains and odors, that's a huge bonus for so many homeowners.
So, with their expertise, commitment to innovation, and a full suite of services, they really do offer a complete solution for both residential and commercial clients in the area.
Yep, it's a comprehensive approach. And plus, their continual education on cutting edge technology ensures they stay ahead of the curve, not just meeting, but exceeding industry standards.
Yeah, absolutely. It seems clear. They're not just cleaning carpets, they're revitalizing home environments while boosting indoor air quality and overall health.
Exactly. And if you're in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, it's pretty straightforward. Call them at 262581614 to get a complimentary, no obligation quote.
Right,
It's about investing in quality and taking pride in your home, isn't it?
sure is. There's something reassuring about knowing your carpets are in such experienced hands.
Absolutely. That's the premium choice for a fresh, clean home every season.